Hey guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of yourself along with your family members. So guys, recently I concluded my USA trip and it was amazing as always. No change at all. Two good people, two good system. Everything was absolutely fine. For my short trip, I really had a fun time over there. So guys, I'm showing you how automated they have made their toll system. So this is entering into an interstate highway in the state of Pennsylvania. See you approach. Okay, there are gates and you can see the light color on top, whether it's green or not. If it is green and you're allowed, move. But yes, you have to reduce your speed. You cannot go in 70, 80 or whatever. You have to reduce. See, they have a board, keep moving here. So keep moving, don't stop, never stop. Okay, slowly move. See, this speed is in mile, 15 miles. So move at 15 mile speed, and you see this camera. This is gonna click a picture of your license plate. You saw it blinking. Let me just show it back to you. You see it's gonna blink. Yeah, I hope you have seen already. And once it is clear, you're all good to go into the highway. Okay, take your time. And yes, guys, for someone outsider like me, it's very important that you turn your map on, because it's very easy to take a wrong turn and then that's going to only increase your trip driving length. Okay, but never break any rule. Like, it doesn't matter if you're in a different country or on your or inside your own country, but be careful when you drive. Okay, and on Canadian license there's no problem in driving in USA. I have done it many times and I'll do it again very soon. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.